So this is the problem. You're using Unreal Engine 5 and your 3D software. You use the Datasmith, the direct link, to sync the changes you made, and it's working perfectly. So you call it a day, close your program, shut down your computer, and come back the next day. Open your project again, Unreal Engine 5, and your 3D software in SketchUp, but today you don't like this lamp, so you hide it. Sync once again Datasmith, and nothing happened. Well, let's try once again, sync, and now the lamp's still there. If you are having this problem, let me help you with it. Okay, so the first thing you need to know here that all of these problems are related to this Datasmith scene file you can find here in your content browser. If you can't find it, you can type in the search box for Datasmith scene. You will be able to locate. The important thing here is this small icon you can see on the top left corner of the thumbnail. This is the status icon and will show you the status of the direct link connection. There are 4 types of icons. I'm showing you them now on screen. I will explain them to you so you can understand the problem you're dealing with. In the case you're seeing this small red icon that I have here, it means the direct link source is not available. Being the source, the scene file you have on your other 3D software such as SketchUp or Max. In this case, you need to make sure this other scene file is open at the same time you're using Unreal Engine. And I know what you're thinking, hey, I already have my scene file open. And in that case, what you need to do is go to your 3D software and double check the scene name. In this case, I have here test scene 1, and the Datasmith scene file, it's called test scene. It's not the same. I probably saved this file as incremental and added this 1 suffix, so it's not exactly the same. And if it's not a perfect match, Datasmith will not automatically recognize it, so it won't work. What you need to do here is to open a different file that have this exact same name, or to resave your scene using the exact same name the Datasmith scene file has. This name you have here. Once you do, let's open here this previous scene. If you go back to Unreal Engine, you will notice that the icon changed, so the first problem is solved. You're now seeing this warning icon. If you go back to SketchUp, let's hide this lamp and try to synchronize it, you will notice, let's wait a bit, you will notice that it's not working. The lamp is still there. It's not automatically synchronizing it. So why? That's because this icon is showing you that the asset, the Datasmith asset, is not synced to the direct link source. Even though there's a connection, it's not being synchronized. The only thing you need to do in this case is to right click the asset and go here to the direct link AUTO-REIMPORT button. Click on it, and once you do, the icon will change, and you will notice that if you now click on the sync button, the changes will be made in Unreal Engine 2 automatically. It is now working back again, it's reconnected. So why? When you click on this direct link AUTO-REIMPORT, it enables you that each time you hit on the sync button, all the changes are made here in Unreal Engine 2. As you can see here, it's automatically done as it was working before you close both softwares. And you can see now this lightning bolt icon that's showing you that the asset with AUTO-REIMPORT on direct link source change. Every time you make a change and synchronize it, it will work. This icon is shown once everything is working perfectly. If we click here on this direct link AUTO-REIMPORT to disable it, you will now see this 4th icon that's showing you that the asset is up to date well, it's up to date to the information from SketchUp, but it will not auto-reimport. What does this mean? That if you hide an object and synchronize it, it will now show you again this warning icon, and the changes will not be made automatically. You need to once again click on the direct link auto-reimport to make sure the connection is working automatically. This tutorial is one of the lessons of our Unreal Engine 5 course to create these stunning animations you're watching on screen right now. If you want to get a 50% discount on our first course, go to the link you can find in the description down below and pre-register to our academy. You will receive a 50% discount on our first course. Thanks for watching and see you on the next time.